Hello, we are the Billion Visions team currently participating in the preliminary round of 2021's International Design Challenge, and we'd like to give brief explanations of our case studies proposal. Today, Indonesia enables digital access with the latest technologies for an easier lifestyle, which also requires Indonesian companies to recruit people with high digital proficiency to help those companies adapt to today's digital era. Taking advantage of the digital era, technology enables job seekers to dig into the background of job candidates, as well as accessing the price ranges needed to pay them. Companies should also look up to freelancers to work on their projects. Job seekers may find the job difficult due to the lack of digital platforms to access important information. So, to minimize those issues mentioned, we'd like to introduce Kotakode, which provides a forum and blogging service for users who have interest in programming, while also providing freelance jobs.
So the next thing is deliverables. What is deliverables? Deliverables is the product that needs to be delivered to its customer. In here, it is Kotakode. So the first thing, there's landing interface, which consists of these things below. Existing features consists of these things below. A new feature consists of these things below. Next thing is landing interface, which mostly consists of green, white, and black colors. And the next thing is my menu, which mostly consists of forums and blog, because Kotakode itself was originally made for forums and blog website. Here, as you can see, it is already existing feature, which is profile, which in this profile, you can see data about your profile. Next thing is the new feature. Here, it is freelance job seeking for the recruiter and for the freelancer. And we also add a page which you can see your own portfolio. Also, the recruiter can see your portfolio to invite you to their project. And the last thing is dark mode, because dark mode is a thing right now.
So the last is summary. Currently, the development in digital era is very rapid. Many activities that used to take place in person are now happening digitally. But many companies don't know or have difficulty find programming knowledge and find talented people for their project. In Indonesia, freelance system for working doesn't sound familiar. Therefore, the Kotakode is the most appropriate solution for that problem. Okay, that's all summary. For this case, thank you.